Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the pet ability in Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you the bee ability in Grow a Garden 2, I'm going to show you how you can get it. Basically, pet will spawn on the map guys, and then you need to wait until the bee spawn, and once the bee spawn on the map you can immediately purchase it, and if I'm not mistaken it costs 1 million shekels. And I'm going to show you the bee ability, what this bee can really do for our garden. Okay, this is a legendary pet guys. It patrols your garden and swarms intruders to defend your fruit. Oh, basically, this bee can protect your garden from intruders. I thought that this bee can give like a mutation or something, but apparently, this bee pet can protect our garden. So, I think it's worth to buy if you have a lot of shekels, guys. But if you're still poor, I don't think I can recommend this bee to you to purchase. Okay, guys, and that's all about the bee pet in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.